This podcast is dedicated to Bodhidharma, also pronounced Bodha Dharma. Bodhidharma was a Buddhist monk from India who lived around the 5th or 6th century. He traveled and introduced Chan Buddhism to China. Chan Buddhism is the same as Zen, Zen being the same as Dhyan. He is also called the father of Shaolin Kung Fu. Bodhidharma truly can be said to be responsible for martial arts being taught to civilians and for recreational purposes like fitness, sport, and as an art form today. Before his time, fighting techniques and martial training was only given to the warriors and soldiers in the armies of the kings and emperors. In ancient India, too, such training was given only to the Kshatriya and the Brahmin castes. Nobody else was allowed to learn it. But the concept of training and teaching martial techniques to civilians and for peaceful aims developed in a Shaolin temple. And further, the mixing of Zen and other philosophical concepts led to it becoming an art form, which we know today as the martial art. Grandmaster Gishin Funakoshi said, "Karate is Zen." What is Zen? Zen is similar to the Sanskrit word dhyan, which means to be focused, to give complete attention to. Zen Shin is an important word in the classical styles of karate. Zen is similar to the Sanskrit word dhyan, which means to be focused, to give complete attention to. The word Shin means mind. So Zen Shin means a mind which is completely focused. A Sanskrit word which explains this concept is ekagrata, one point focus. The concept of Zenshin, ekagrata, can also be explained as complete attention to the nowness of the moment, thinking of the now, not thinking of the past nor imagining things about the future. I'm going to tell you a story. It's called the Zenshin test. Many years ago, there was a martial arts master who wanted to test his students. He said those who pass will be promoted and taught the next level of training and techniques. He told them that it would be a surprise test on any of the coming days and they would be required to be ready at all times. A week passed. One fine day, the class was going on and the master was giving the count as the students were practicing basic techniques. The class went on and it started raining for some time and then it stopped. At the end of the training session, the master told everyone to sit down, then asked, "How is the weather today? Did you notice any changes?" Most of the students, there were 10 of them, lifted their heads and said, "Yeah, it rained a few minutes back." But there were only 4 students who seemed quiet. So the master asked them if they had noticed the rain. They said they hadn't noticed it. They were too busy focusing on their practice and their techniques. "Sorry," they said. The master announced that those 4 students are hereby promoted and will be taught the next level of techniques and kata. The master said these 4 students had achieved Zenshin. Their focus and attention was so much on what they were doing that they did not even notice the rain outside. All the others will have to practice and improve on their focus and techniques. I hope you enjoyed this story and this podcast. I will touch more on the philosophical, technical, and physical aspects of martial arts in future episodes. Thank you.